Hello friends, welcome to our fifth and last video this week as we look at conditional formatting in Excel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use icons to show the data value in a cell. My name is Mercy Consolate Akelo. Let's get started. Today I'll be making use of this cost column. Now, say you want to use icons to represent your values here. What you're going to do is to select this column, come over to conditional formatting, scroll down to icon sets, and then you have all these. So since we are dealing with costs, let's go with the directional. So this tells us this value is low, it's high, it's in between. Now you can adjust those values. So you may be interested in having this represent something more meaningful to you. So what you do is come over to conditional formatting, select this, scroll down and choose Manage Roles. It pops up this window. Within this, you can choose Edit Role, and from here, we can adjust these values. For example, if we want all the values that are greater than or equal to 400 to be in the green, let's change this to number. Change this also to number, because we are entering values of numeric type. 400, when the value is greater than or equal to 400, the icon should be this. Whereas when the value is less than the 400 and is greater than or equal to, let's go with 200 here, then it should be this. Otherwise, if the value is less than 200, it should be a red. Then if we say OK again, we should have our values reflecting what we have just indicated. Let's sort this and see. If I sort this from largest to smallest, as you can see, from 400 upwards, it is showing with the green arrows. And then all those values from 200 to below 400 are in yellow. And then the rest that are less than 200 are in red. So you can adjust this to have any other icon of your choice that best represents your data. So that has been it for this video. If you've enjoyed it, please give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and please subscribe to the channel so that you're updated on new videos as they're released. Thank you and happy learning.